Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the device over and unscrew 5 captive screws in the bottom cover. Gently insert the opener pick between the bottom cover and the palm rest. Slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Unplug the battery from the motherboard. Remove 4 4mm screws from the battery. Replace the battery, and be sure to slide it underneath the tabs. Replace the 4 4mm screws. Plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the bottom cover, and push down to snap it back into place. Tighten the 5 captive screws in the bottom cover.